An ethics complaint has been filed against Laguna Representative Dan Fernandez, accusing him of violating the House of Representatives Code of Conduct. The complaint was lodged by attorney Ferdinand Topacio, legal counsel for Cassandra Ong, who has been linked to illegal Philippine offshore gaming operators or POGOs. Topacio alleged that Fernandez prevented Ong from seeking legal advice during the House Quad Committee hearing. He also claimed that the lawmaker threatened to cite him in contempt if he continued communicating with his client. Fernandez, on the other hand, said he is ready to face the ethics complaint.
I think yung ethics complaint against Representative Dan Fernandez will expel him from Congress. Pero we'll see about that.
Election na, and he's running for
governor in Laguna. So we'll see about that dun sa kanila magiging investigation. Kasi nga ang nirereklamo ng kampo nila, Cassandra Ong, through her legal counsel, hindi nga daw siya pinapayagan magsalita. And during that meeting, or during those hearings, if you can remember pag nanonood tayo, di ba, ayaw sumagot kasi ni Cassandra Ong. Even yung, halimbawa, tinatanong lang siya na saan siya nag-aral, sinong ganito.
I remember that. Tinatanong siya nag-aaral, tatanong sa lawyer, tatanong, kumbaga parang sinasite ng mga congressmen, literal, tatanungin lang namin saan kakakain, tatanong mo sa lawyer mo. Di ba kaya may nag-joke, alam mo ba kung ano yung parang kay Alice Guo, kay Cassandra Ong, nag-joke din sila, alam mo ba yung tikoy? Parang ganun. Tapos tatanong mo ba sa lawyer mo? Parang ginanon niya.
Pero yun nga, tapos pinapakita rin nila nun kasi nung time na yun, nasa likod lagi si attorney Topacio sa likod ni Cassandra Ong na may binubulong lagi. So yun yung parang sinasabi nila na wag gawin. Pero sinasabi naman ni Attorney Topacio, labag yun sa karapatan ng kanyang kliyente na mag-consult sa kanyang counsel. So, kaya sila nag-file ng
I remember sinabi kasi ni Congressman Dan Fernandez that the role of the lawyers to advise the client on legal repercussions sa sagot niya, but not to advise kung ano isasagot. Kaya yun ang kinapiko ng Quad Committee. Parang tinuturuan mo na ata every time kung ano sasagutin mo eh. Nandyan ka to tell kung ano yung mangyayari sa'yo kung sinagot mo to o hindi. Hindi para turuan ng kliyente mo kung ano yung sasagutin nila. I remember that yung hearing na yun eh. Napikon siya kay Attorney Topacio.
Tingnan natin kung ano yung magiging kalalabasan ng hearing na yan.